Hello guys, this is Grawish Sachdeva and today I'm going to show you how to install full version of VMware on your PC. For this, open your browser and then open the following link. This link is below in the description. It will start downloading VMware Workstation. Click Save File and after that your downloading will restart. I've already downloaded, so I don't need to download that. Open the setup. It will take us several minutes. Now proceed the setup. Wait for installation. I am fast forwarding the video. Guys, please vote in the poll above here. After installation, don't click finish, click license and then add these keys. Add any one. All the keys are in the description below. Click enter. Now your product is successfully registered. Thanks for watching.